Chasing the status, the money and name, looking for peace in the digital game. Power and vanity, holding the crown, seeking applause from a glittering town.
Yet peaceful silence is rooted above, justified, sanctified, covered in love. No earthly title can quiet the soul, only His advocate making us whole.
Is it the world that satisfies?
It's all a lie.
Where does tranquility reside?
In Jesus Christ.
Real peace remains. Walking His will in the midst of the storm, celebrating grace when the days are untorn, inheriting treasures no shadow can steal. This is the peace that is holy and real. Not by success or social praise, rooted in Christ for all our days. True inheritance, unshakable peace.